Hey guys, so this week I have a process video for you. It has been well over a year since I've posted a process video. This has also been the first page I've made since maybe 5 or 6 months. But yeah, so let's get into it. I'm really excited to share this with you guys. I have a few other videos lined up and ready to go, so hopefully I can keep the momentum going for the next however long I decide to stay on this. But yeah, so this is a 9x12 page. This is from 2018. I actually have 2 whole years of albums worth of pages to complete, so it's a little stressful thinking about it, but you know, it's okay. So here I am, I'm just picking the cards. It's kind of weird getting back into scrapbooking after having not done it for a while. Even when I just take a week off or so, that first page is always kind of a struggle. So there's a lot of things that I just kind of gave up on this page and started over. But I think it was still good. I still liked it at the end, I think. This page is from 2018, like I said. I think this is from our bachelorette party. Before our wedding, we did like a Survivor weekend, like the show Survivor. Not just Survivor themed, we had games and tribes, and we voted each other out, and it was really fun. There's a lot of blue, green, and red and on this page, and I kind of just went with the blue and the red. I didn't want to do that because I didn't want it to look too patriotic, because that's not what I was going for. But it just so happened that the pictures kind of just dictated the color scheme. So, I just went with it. I'm just going through my alpha stickers because I had a lot of things I wanted to do. If you watch Survivor, the catchphrase kind of thing is outwit, outplay, outlast. So I wanted to put that on the card, and I got as far as actually doing it, but I did not like the way it looked at all. It was too light, and I thought I needed more contrast, so I ended up just chucking that card completely. I don't know if I kept any of it in here, but it goes on that what is that called? The striped. Oh, it's been so long, I don't even know what a stripe is called. The striped card on the left side. And I'm also picking up some stamps that I don't end up using as well, which you'll see. But yeah, just kind of relearning how to do this part of scrapbooking, which I guess is pretty much everything. You kind of lose it after a while, I think. Picking the colors was okay, but arranging things and picking embellishments and stuff like that, it took me a little bit to get back into that. But yeah, I don't end up using this card, as I told you. But these are Kelly Perky stickers. I don't know if she's still making scrapbook supplies. That's how out of it I've been. I haven't really been scrolling through on Instagram, haven't really been keeping up with trends and stuff like that. But these are my favorite. These are some of my favorite alphabet stickers. I have stacks and stacks of them from when I was on her design team, which is really nice because I feel like I just have an infinite supply right now, and I'll just be really sad when I run out. But that's okay. As you can see, I've abandoned that gray card over there. And here I am trying to stamp Survivor on this top middle card. And you'll see, it doesn't work out. Should have probably planned this better. Realized at the end that it was too long of a word. So remember, kids, always think ahead. So I'm totally ditching that stamp set, which I'm kind of bummed about because it's a nice stamp set. But I'm going to go in with these. I think I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to go in with. I decide on, these are my favorite alpha stickers that I've also been hoarding forever. These are Studio Calico. I don't remember what kit they came in. Probably like 2016 or 2017, but they're my favorite. And I think I bought an extra set at a last call or something like that, and I've just been trying to use them as sparingly as possible. Again, too long. So this is why I'm glad I had planned this in advance. So because I didn't want to put everything back, I just divided it up into 2 rows, and yeah, I thought that looked cool. Kept it kind of blocky and minimal looking, so yeah. Then I'm just trying to figure out what to put on that left hand side that I was having issues with before, and I decided to use this wood chipboard wood, oh gosh, what is it called? Comment down below, let me know what that's called because I don't remember. It's like wood. Anyway, so this wood cutout piece from Studio Calico with an arrow, and then I think those are Studio Calico word strips. That's a currently. I probably would have cut that, but I've been using my craft scissors around the house for like house projects, and I don't really know where they are right now. So I just ripped it off, and you know, it's all good. Then I'm just gonna staple it in using my Tim Holtz tiny attacher. As you know, I'm not a big journaling person. I never have been. So I'm just going to do just like a little something underneath that yes to card, which I realize now that I don't have any footage of. So maybe it got cut off. I don't know, guys, it's my first process video back. Just bear with me. So now most of the main components are on the page. I'm gonna go in and try to embellish. So I'm going through this bag of, I think it's just like miscellaneous chipboard, puffy stickers, stuff like that. And I found these from Studio Calico. As you can tell, a lot of my stuff is still Studio Calico. I actually stopped my subscription about like 6-7 months ago because I just haven't really been keeping up with scrapbooking and all that stuff. Kind of miss it, kind of thinking about resubscribing, but also thinking about just buying like one-off kits because it's just easier financially, less commitment. I don't know, we'll see. Let me know if you're still subscribed to Studio Calico and if it's gotten any better or worse. Not that I stopped because I didn't like it anymore, it's just I wasn't using it as much anymore, and I just have so much stuff still that I could utilize, but I don't know, we'll see. I'm obsessed with these chipboard hearts from Studio Calico. They're just white and have like gray, black, paint splattery looking speckle things, and I just love them so much. And then I'm just gonna add some enamel dots just to bring that red over to the left side of the page a little bit more and make the whole page look a little bit more cohesive. And that's pretty much it. I have some detail shots to follow. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know if you have any questions about anything I used in this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram for other scrapbooking updates and stuff like that. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I will talk to you guys next time.